guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here with my daughter. She's gonna come over here to say hi to you guys.
Hi guys.
So she found this walking trail park, so we just decided to come out here today and give it a try. So we'll see how it is. So just hang around.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. We're excited. As you all know, she is done with school. Woohoo! And we're just waiting to see what doors God is going to open for her.
Yes. Amen.
Right? So, of course, keep her in your prayers that God leads her and that she may do His will.
Yes.
So, yes, guys. I'm gonna flip the camera. It looks kind of crazy out there, but I tell you, this park is beautiful. Just enjoy a little nature.
Oh, she's gone. Period.
Cuidado con esa resbala. Come on, Liz. You can do it, Liz. You can't think about it. You just gotta like take those steps. Yeah! We did it, guys.
Yes.
We have survived that crossover. It's the perfect day to take this walk.
Yeah.
Because, right, Marlies?
Yeah.
It's like so nice and cool out here.
Yeah, it's shaded like because of the trees, so
Perfect day.
yes.
Perfect day.
Yes.
Perfect day. Alright guys, so you read that. My daughter's gonna scan to see what we could see and we'll let you know. Alright guys, so the thing is you scan that and then you select what you want to hear and it tells you a little bit about different stuff around here. So that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very interesting piece here.
To everything there is a season and a time for every purpose under heaven. There is a season for everything. It says that in the Bible.
Tell them.
Read your word, y'all. Read the word. It's in there. low key. Oh, I don't want that water on me though. So I got a new pet. His name is Errol.
Oh, he walking fast too. Errol, go back.
In her step.
Huh?
You got some pep in your step. It's just a dog.
Dog, good.
And
Whoo, guys. We are done.
yes,
We enjoyed it.
we're making our way back.
Yes. We
Yeah.
walked 72
people
minutes. Oh, people are coming, guys. So we're gonna make this short. We really enjoyed this walk. Hope you enjoyed what we
Yeah.
were able to show you guys.
Yeah.
And yeah, thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Click that bell so that you could get notified when I upload a video.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, have a blessed rest of your week. Bye.
Bye, guys.
enjoyed what we
Yeah.
were able to show you guys.
Yeah.
And yeah, thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. Click that bell so that you could get notified when I upload a video.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, have a blessed rest of your week. Bye.
Bye, guys.